Jim McLaren. Today's Thursday, November the 28th, 2019. Last week I talked about the arrow gun, the RT188M, and I had a rivet stuck in it, and talked to customer service, and Richard said he would replace the rivet gun with a newer one, and he actually tried it out for me, made sure it works good. And as a bonus, it sent me the RH200. And I did a video and I was talking about this Bostix one. And he said, we got an old one here that's not in service. They don't have it no more. They don't make it no more. And I'll send you that as a bonus. So I get 3 rivet guns from Richard, and that's Saddlebrook, New Jersey. They shipped it to Canada. We're going to take a look at these 3 guns today. This is kind of unique, and it comes in a nice package here. Lots of information on the back of this rivet gun, and it comes in an easy open case here. Just 2 little buttons that hold it in here, and it's out. So this is their RL100, and notice on here it says always wear safety glasses. And now at first I thought there was 2 different places for rivets, but there's only one. So if you want to switch, you have to take the screw out here and then switch the plate. Anyway, the little screw in here, Phillips screw, or a flathead slotted screw, and then just simply twist that to whatever rivet you want. Now it's got the rivets on here. It's got the 1/8. It's got the flip it over here. It's got the 5/32 and the 3/16. We'll be using the 1/8 today. So just line it up. There's no hole in the bottom. Just line it up here in the top, and then tighten the screw down. So this is the RL100, and they don't make it no more. But it was similar to the Bostix one, so that's why he sent it to me. Similar style. One of their older rivet guns. So we'll try them all out today. The R200 is the original one I was going to get until the newer ones come out. Same kind of a package, nice and easy to get at here. And it's got the reminder here to wear the safety glasses there. We'll always wear safety glasses here. And it's got the wrench in here to change the different nose pieces in here, and it's got the clip that holds the handles. Nice comfortable grip on this one, and I'll do a video of taking it apart in a future video. Anyway, you've got 4 nose pieces, and it's got a wrench to take them all off, but built right into the handle. They all fit in here, and we're going to try these all out today and see how they do. And the one that he replaced, the RT188M, and a little more hard to get out of the package here. So he tried it out for me. He said it's working good, and you should be okay with this gun. So this is the original one I did a review of, and I showed you how to. It is possible to take it apart, but they say the rivets should not get stuck in it. Now notice the difference on the styles of the 3 different rivet guns here. We're starting off with just 2 nose pieces, then the 3 nose pieces, and the wrench. And now we're going into the colored-coded nose pieces right in here. So look at all these 3 arrow. Actually 4. I'll take a look at the Bostix one too. All these rivet guns from Arrow. Just pause the video and get set up. So I'm going to use a 1/8 drill bit here. You see it there, 1/8 drill bit. And we're just going to use, this is just tin off a cat food dish, cat food. I'm just going to use it so you can see when I do the riveting. So we're going to make some holes in here. Probably do 4, do the Bostix one too. I'm just going to scrape that off, make sure there's no birds on it. Now, safety glasses, people. Always wear your safety glasses here. So got 4 holes drilled in there. Now we're going to be using this is the arrow. Now it says the green one. So we're going to look for this one on the 188M here. This is the one with nose piece we want. So we're going to change this one out for the yellow one. And the other ones we'll just size up to get the right ones. So it's easy. You don't need a wrench for this particular gun. Color coded. Now we're going to check the other ones are going to have to go through the rivet and see which one we need. So I'm going to use the steel one. There's aluminum and there's steel. I'm running kind of low on steel, on aluminum ones. So we're going to just check it. That's too big. It's too big. This is the middle one we want, and this is too small. So now we're going to have to use a wrench to take this off. Remove it. Now all these nose pieces, I believe they have the writing on them, what size they are. So the disadvantage of the R200 is that it doesn't have colored nose pieces, so you're going to have to check the rivets. Make sure you get the right nose piece in here. And you have a wrench for this too. Just tighten this other one up here too. Now when you're putting the nose pieces in, squeeze the handles together, because the jaws will come out and it'll be harder to change it. Now we know that it's got 1/8 written here, 1/8 written right there. So he knows this is the one that's going to go in here. This is the one we want. The other one's too big. Won't go through in it, but it's too big. And the Boss 6 one here, it just has one size fits all kind of. So we'll try them. Let's try the Boss 6 one first. So this Boss 6 is an old Rivet gun, way back when. I can't even remember buying it. So we'll try it out, see how it works. The handles are bigger on it, so harder to grasp them, but it's going to take a couple pulls. There's 3 pulls. There, that broke off. So there's your rivet. You can see it made a nice job there. Now the rivets came out. To the next one, we use the steel one. This is the arrow, the 100 one. And put that rivet in there. Open the handles wide open. And you see there's a spring in here. Open the handles wide open, put it all the way in here. So this is the RL100, and you can see the handles are very wide, you know, compared to the other arrow guns. Anyway, we're going to see if we can get this rivet in here. So it's kind of a one-hand operation, but it's more awkward. There it goes. Now that's rivet stuck in there a bit. There's the rivet. Made a nice job here. Now we're talking the R2, the RH200 rivet gun here. Open up the handles. The rivet goes all the way in. Same with these. See how the handles are so wide? This is a one-hand operation, but Makes it a little bit more awkward. Yeah, that one broke. That rivet came out. Made a nice job. And then here's our rivet gun that we got replaced. And we got the air green one. That's the one we want. And the handles here. Now they say this one is the one-handed operation. The handles are a little bit more comfortable, a little more easy to get access here. And I can feel it pulling easier too. Although we're not. There we go. And the rivet comes out. So there's the fourth rivet here. All nicely done. Through just a small piece of aluminum here. Now, on this one it doesn't mention about safety glasses. I wonder why it's not mentioned on the package, not mentioned on the arrow tool itself. Anyway, if compared to the 3 arrow ones here, this is a real old one, and it worked good, and the rivet's still stuck in there. This is the RT100. Again, this is the RT188M, and the rivets are not supposed to get stuck in here, and they replaced it. And the rivet that was stuck in here still shows stuck in here, but if you open the handles wide open, it'll come out. So that's 3 different rivet guns here from Arrow. This is the old one that they don't make no more, and this is the R200, and the newest one with the colored nose pieces. They all work fairly well. I find these very comfortable handles. Like, it grips it very well. Like the other, this is a longer rivet gun. Handles are a lot longer, so you got more. It's harder to operate, more cumbersome. And even the this one, the RL100, it's a nice little rivet gun. Like, just turn this and you get different size rivets. And this Bostic's one as well. So I'd like to thank Richard again. He was so replaced my rivet gun and gave me this one. And as a bonus, he threw this one in just because he's seen the video I did on the Bostic one, just to compare the rivet guns that Arrow used to have a long time ago. I'd like to thank all my subscribers, all my new subscribers. Thanks so much for subscribing to my channel. If you watched this for the first time today, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for taking the time to listen to the video today. Have a great day, people.